Hi NativeScripters, this is Alex again from Nuvius. Today I want to show you how we can upgrade to the latest version of NativeScript and upgrade our existing projects to the latest version. Let's say I have my current app and I want to upgrade NativeScript, and I want to also upgrade my app to the latest version of NativeScript. And I'm going to open up this project in Visual Studio Code so we can take a look at the package.json file. Now here you can pay attention to this dependencies object. We have the TNS core modules npm package here, which is the NativeScript modules, and we're set to version 2.1.0. If I go back to the command line, I'm going to terminate my running app, and I'm going to say TNS version to see what version I'm running right now, 2.1.1. And I'm also going to go to npm to see what the latest version of NativeScript that's available. And as you can see, the latest version available on npm is 2.2.0. So I want to upgrade everything. Let's see how we can do that. So the first thing to do is I'm going to upgrade NativeScript itself. That's done through npm as well. So first what I want to do is uninstall NativeScript and then reinstall the new version. And the command for that is npm uninstall NativeScript, and you want to do that globally. Now before I run this, I want to tell you the difference here. If you're on Windows, you're going to run this command. If you're on a Mac, you most likely have to run it as root, and I'm going to add that here, that sudo command in the beginning. Okay, so I'm going to execute that. It's going to ask for my password. Okay, it's uninstalled NativeScript 2.1.1. Now in order to install the newest version, I'm just going to copy that same command but say install. And this is going to go ahead and grab the latest from npm, build everything, and install it locally. No, I don't want to do any of these things. Sure, I'll enable command line completion. Okay, let's take a look at the current version that's installed. And we're up to 2.2.0. Excellent. Now, if I go try to run my project, I might run into some issues. So what I want to do is this platforms folder, I want to remove it because that's referencing the old NativeScript version. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that folder. Are you sure you want to delete the platforms and its contents? Yes, I do. And also this TNS core modules entry here in the package.json, I want to get that to the latest version as well. So I'm going to go ahead and say 2.2.0 here. I'm going to save this file. And back on the command line, make sure you're in your project folder. You're going to say npm install TNS core modules -- save. You can also just say npm install and it'll read the package.json file and get the latest as well. That's a shortcut. And that's all there is to it. Now you can say TNS platform add iOS again and it'll get the latest version. Or I'm just going to go ahead and run it, which will execute that command anyway. TNS run iOS in the emulator. Okay. And we're back up and running on the new version of NativeScript. Thanks for watching this video and happy upgrading.